Myself, Patare Nivrutti, from Bahadur Narana Boroke College, Rampur, District Ahmednagar, State, Maharashtra, conducted by Raj Shikshan Samstha. Today, we will learn alien science physics, topic number 11, electric current through conductors. In this chapter, we shall discuss regarding electrical energy and power, resistors, color code of resistors, rheostat. So we shall discuss one by one. So first of all, the electrical energy and powers. Electrical energy and powers. So we have to consider a resistor and across this resistor a cell is connected. So that is resistor A, B, cell terminals, positive terminal, negative terminals. Now, when an electrical cell is switched on, then the current flowing through the resistors, and the potential difference is produced between these 2 points, that is phi. That is phi is the potential difference between A and B points. The cell maintains the potential difference between the 2 terminals, that is A and B of the resistors. Let Q be the charge. Q be the charge flowing through the resistor in time delta t. In time delta t. So the potential difference between the 2 points A and B is equal to the work done W. Work done W. Work done W done to carry a unit positive charge from point A to point B, and now it is given by the relation the potential phi is equal to work done W by charge Q. That is, the potential is nothing but work done per unit positive charge. That is V equal W by Q, or W is equal to, that is work done is equal to potential phi into charge Q. That is product of potential and charge Q. Suppose equation number 1. Now, the cell provides this energy. The cell provides this energy through the charge Q to the resistor AB. To the resistor AB, where the work performed when the charge Q flows from higher potential point A to the lower potential point B. That is, point A is higher potential and point B is lower potential. That is, through a decrease in potentials of value V, its potential energy its potential energy decreases by an amount delta U. Potential energy decreases by an amount delta U is equal to V into Q. That is, potential energy is equal to the work done V into Q, but Q is nothing but the product of current and the time delta t. So we can write here V into I into delta t, Vi delta t. So it is the equation number second, equation number 2. Delta U is equal to Vi delta t, where I is the current due to charge Q flowing through the resistor in time delta t. So by principle of conservation of energy, it is converted into some other forms of energy. That is, work converted into potential energy, or potential energy is converted into work. That is, the energy is conserved only it is converted into one form into another form. So in the limit delta t, in the limit delta t tends to 0. So therefore we can write that is delta U by delta t, or it is also we can write du by dt is equal to V into I. That is product of current and potentials. So it is equation number 3. By Ohm's law, we know Ohm's law, the potential P is equal to product of current and resistance, or resistance R is equal to V upon I. Thus the ratio power here du by dt, or it is also called the time rate of transfer of energy, and it is given by power P equal du by dt. Power P equal du by dt, that is the time rate of transfer of energy, and therefore we can write P equal du by dt from equation 3 is equal to V into I. But by Ohm's law V is equal to I into R. So power P equal, we can write V I into R into here I, that is I square R. So power P is equal to I square R. Next number 4. Now this is the relation of power P equal I square R. Now when an electric current are flowing through the conductor, that means through the resistor, the resistance offers across the resistors, and the resistor offers the resistance opposes the flow of current, and now due to this the work is produced here. Now this work is also converted into heat, and now there is produces is heat across the resistor when an electric current are flowing through these conductors. So we can write this formula, power P is equal to I square R. Next article, resistors. Resistor is an semiconductor device, electronic device which is used in electronic circuits, electrical circuits, etc. The resistors, now this is the resistor. Resistors symbol is like this. Resistance is measured in SI unit ohm. Now this electronic device, that is semiconductor device, is used to limit the currents or to control the current flowing through the circuits, flowing through the particular path of a circuit. So commercially available resistors are mainly of two types. One, carbon resistors, the value of carbon resistors is so much large, but its size is very small. So commercially the carbon resistors are always used, while another resistors, wire wound resistors. Now this is the bulky wire wound resistors. So for commercial purpose it's not always used. So only the carbon resistors are used. Now the size of carbon resistors is small, and it is also inexpensive, that is it is much cheaper than the wire wound resistors. Now these resistors are color code resistors, and now its value is find out by using this color code resistance. The color coding is standardized by electronic industries. So we will see in details for the color code resistors. Now these are the true electrodes of color code resistors, and at one sides there are two color rings. Now this is one of the ring. This is another ring, and now another is third rings. And at the other end of color code resistors there is a tolerance in percentage. So this color code denotes tolerance in percentage. This is first digit. Now this color denotes second digit, and third color denotes multiplier. And now this is the tolerance. This color denotes tolerance in percentage. Now this tolerance is in plus or minus. So by using the tabular form of color code registers. First column, serial number, serial number, then colors, first digit, second digit, another column, multiplier, and last, tolerance in percentage. Now, this is a sequence of color is a black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and white. And this sequence can be summarized by a simple way. B. Roy in Great Britain, very good wife. Now this is the simple summarize for understanding. B. Roy is a Great Britain in a very good wife. B. Roy, B, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, and last white. B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. So now this is the simple way for summarize. So we can write first color black, then brown, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and last is white. First 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last color denotes the tolerance. Now tolerance may be gold color, silver color, and if there are no colors, then there is a tolerance is given. Gold 5% plus minus, silver denotes plus minus 10%, and if there is no color at the another end of registers, then the tolerance is plus minus 20%. So color code first digit here denotes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Also second digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the multiplier means 10 raised to of color code digits, that is 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to 6, 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 8 and 10 raised to 9. Now this is the multiplier, denotes third ring of color. And for silver there is a 10 raised to minus 1 and no color, 10 raised to minus 2. Here silver 10 raised to minus 1, there is another no color, denotes 10 raised to minus 2 multiplier. But now there is no any color code digit. And now here gold denotes plus minus 5% tolerance, silver denotes plus minus 10% tolerance, and no color denotes plus minus 20% tolerance. So we can find out the values of any registers by using these color code registers. Now the color code registers, suppose given yellow, violet, orange, yellow, violet, orange and last string, that is gold. So by using these tables we can find out the values of given color code registers. So yellow color code 4. Second digits violet is 7, so into 7, that is 4 7. And third orange multiplied 10 raised to violet numbers, color code numbers 10 raised to 7, and now gold is plus minus 5%. So the value of given registers we can find out. Orange color code numbers 3, you see. So is equal to, therefore 47 into 10 raised to 3, that is 4700 ohm plus minus 5% tolerance, or also you can write it 47 kilo ohm plus minus 5% tolerance. So by using these color codes we can find out the values of given register. Also from given values we can find out the colors or color ring on registers. Colored ring on registers by using the given values. So given values of register you can find colored rings on register. So for example 330 ohm, 330 ohm. So we can find from the tables 3 first digit, that is 3 is orange. Next 3 second digits also orange, and 0 is black. That is 10 raised to 1 means multiplier brown, that is 3 orange 0 means into 10 raised to 1, that is brown, that is multiplier 10 raised to 1. So here 3 into multiplier 10 raised to 1. So now 3 denotes orange, also 3 denotes orange, and next third color ring denotes brown. Thus on the given register the color code is orange and brown. Also the another end, that is tolerance ring, is not given. So its tolerance is plus minus 20%. Thus we can find out color code ring from the given values of the registers. Also we can find out from the given color code rings the values of any registers. So by using these tables we can find out any values of registers. The next point, rheostat. The rheostat is also another name, variable registers, adjustable registers. So by using this device we can adjust the value of registers. And now by using this rheostat we are vary the resistors automatically. By using Ohm's law the current is also vary through the circuits. Now the rheostat is a device just like it. Now this is a hollow cylinder made by a non-conducting materials. Now at the other ends, one of the ends there is a fixed points, and now from this point the wire is wound over a non-conducting cylinder, and now there is another point. Suppose point A, point B is the fixed points, fixed terminals. Along these fixed terminals of wires there is a sliding terminals, just like this. And now there is another terminals, suppose it is called C. Now this is the variable terminals. So there are two fixed terminals and another is C, variable terminals. So by using the variable terminals we can vary, we can slide the variable terminals, and by using this we can change the resistance of any values. And now by using Ohm's law there are automatically the current is also vary. That is resistance and currents are inversely proportional to each other. Suppose we have to control the currents, that means to decrease the value of current, magnitude of current, then the resistance is increases by using this adjustable rheostat, then the current, magnitude of current would be decreases. Thus the rheostat is used in the circuits to vary the resistors. Obviously the current also varies.